Ever been locked out of your USB drive, staring at a red-only error in Ubuntu? Well, frustration be gone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to reclaim write access on your pendrive in Ubuntu. Let's jump right in. The first culprit is usually how Ubuntu mounts your USB drive. Sometimes it defaults to red-only. To fix this, we need to ensure the drive is both mounted and mounted correctly. Insert your USB drive if you haven't already. Start off by opening the search bar from the Activities overview top left corner. Type disk and select the disk's utility. This is where the magic happens. In the disk's application, find and select your USB drive from the list on the left side of the window. Take a look at the right side to see details about the partition. Focus on the file system listed. If the button Mount Options is available, click it. This is important for making the USB writable. With mounting options, in the user session defaults, uncheck the red-only option and set other settings accordingly to enable read-write permissions, then finally click OK. After adjusting mount options, close the program. Often these configurations require you to reinsert your USB drive. If everything looks good, then you should have writable access to your pendrive. If all goes well, congratulations, you can now write on your pendrive.